Here's 5 quick art tips for beginners. Number 1. Use perspective grids to fix perspective in your drawings. Number 2. Use photo references so you're not guessing at what you think something looks like. It's not cheating. Number 3. Use 3D models for further reference, particularly for things that are hard to photograph. Blender is free. Number 4. Hold your pencil like this for these lines and this for these. Number 5. The space between the eyes is about the length of one eye. Please like, share and subscribe for more art tips as well as other art videos for beginners. Thanks for watching. Did you know I have a website? It's got my comics, illustrations and my blog, which is updated weekly. It also has free downloadable resources for beginners like perspective grids, tutorials on things like value, as well as my own custom brush pack. Did I mention they're free? They're free! Check it out in the description and sign up to my email address so you can be the first ones to see the updates.